A study showed that swings provide a similar cardiometabolic response to running without all the impact forces. It builds the entire backside of your body, plus it improves posture, making it an excellent anti-aging exercise. The swing is basically a hip hinge to standing plank. Master those two moves first. Your shoulders should always be higher than your hips. Keep your knees soft, but don't squat too much. Inhale through the nose into the belly as you hike the weight behind your hips to stabilize your spine. Fully exhale through your mouth to power the weight to chest level. Start light and for higher reps in the beginning until the muscle memory is locked in. Once you master the double arm swing, you can try it on a single arm, alternate hands, or stagger your stance. My favorite variation is the shuffle swing. You can modify this exercise with the sumo deadlift. You can even add a jump to increase the intensity. The best way to do this exercise with dumbbells is the skier swing. In fact, it can auto-correct your form since it's harder to squat with your feet closer together.